Here's a 2012 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. It's well equipped with features you need: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, front and rear camera parking sensors, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. The Truth About Cars observes, the original severe form has been softened to add some conventional beauty to the mix, but it's still bolder than the competition and distinctively Cadillac. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.